Oops, sorry about that. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with a kind of like a gear update. Got a couple things in the mail that just wanted to show to you guys. Probably go over my regular everyday carry also. Um, Work radio. It's from the hotel. Things I like have to carry on me. Work houseman key. One of these cards to get in and out of the building when it's locked. The houseman key will do the same thing, but this is for like when I first get here. Gloves, taking out trash or somebody's bleeding. So as for the older stuff, which I had in my last video, it's a wallet, and came with it a little like survival card. Just in case I got to tighten wrenches or whatever. Like $20-something on Amazon. Not a bad deal, I guess. Multi-tool, pretty old. Not exactly sure where I got it, but it's got all your standard stuff on there. A Zippo, kind of a new case. Not sure if this was in the other one or not, but file. Cigarette pack, because I don't like my cigarettes crushed in my pocket. So this case I had in the last one was just wrapped up in tape. Chapstick, flashlight, mini flashlight, and my karambit knife. Updated stuff, it's not much, but I just felt like doing another video. Notepad, the other one got used. Picked this up at like CVS for like $3 or whatever. It's not right in the rain and nothing special, but it's just a notepad. I got this off Bud K for $2.98 with free shipping. They had like a little deal. So, a little neck knife. Pretty sweet. Skeletonized handle. Came with this sheath, which has like a little whistle on it. I'm not going to be like other people and blow into the whistle, because that's highly irritating. But it came with a lanyard, and I wanted a boot knife, just to have a boot knife. So I had a utility pouch. I'll try to upload another video that has a clip on here for your belt. So I basically just glued it on there, cut it off there, glued it on here. And it fits comfortably right in my boot, even with this little whistle. It kind of sits on my left side. So it fits very well. There was another thing. Oh yeah. And this is my other new thing. Tactical pen. It's got a nice grip on there. Glass breaker. Just kind of spin it. Get the pen out and spin it back. I'll do a better review on this once I figure out some things like the cartridge and everything else. But that's basically it. I also carry a power bank with me, but it's currently being used to hold my phone as a stand. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you feel free. Subscribe if you want. And catch you next time. Thanks a lot, guys.